Thinking about a hair procedure in Turkey or elsewhere imminently? I've got a question for you. If the person giving you free advice isn't charging you a penny, how do they keep the lights on? Most consultants are actually just reps on a heavy commission from the clinics. They aren't looking for the best technician for you. They're looking for the shop that gives them the biggest kickback. We've changed the game. As the world's first independent concierge service, we don't take a single penny from clinics. We work strictly for you. We give you an honest assessment, handpick the right clinic, negotiate your deal, and handle the logistics so you don't have to. You're backed by Gibril, an industry author and expert who has been navigating this world for years. Since 2021, we've helped hundreds of men and women get their confidence back without being fleeced. Get yourself some objective truth before you book anything. Click below to chat with a truly independent expert who is actually in your corner.